get response, okay? Because this is the autoresponder that we use in our CPA marketing coaching, okay? So let's understand a few things here, okay? I need you to go to the dashboard, okay? Now you see there are different tabs here, okay? Create form, create newsletter, create landing page, add contacts, create autoresponder, okay? Now I need you to scroll up. So basically, scroll at the extreme top.
Oh, sorry, where the
Just scroll at the extreme top.
top? Okay.
So you see again there are different uh, tab options here, okay? That is contacts, email marketing, automation, landing pages, webinars, forms and surveys, CRM, okay? So basically we would be using two modules here, like these are different modules, okay? So we would be using the email marketing module, okay? And we would be using the landing pages module, okay? And again we would be using forms and surveys, okay? So these are the things that we would be using. Now
Okay.
basically if you see here, create form option is there, okay? Create form, create newsletter, create landing page, okay? So create form is something that we would be using a lot to create our opt-in pages, okay? Don't click on anything right now. Create newsletter is something that only advanced people do that, okay? Again I need to go back. Create landing pages is something that you would be using to actually create landing pages, okay? So basically with get response, in the $15 monthly plan, get response only allows one landing page. If you want to use multiple landing pages, you have to pay $30 per month, okay? But here's the best part for you. In my coaching, you don't have to pay $30 to get response, so you can stay on the $15 per month plan. And again, I would be like, my team would be building a CPA monetized website for you, okay? So with that website, okay, you would be able to simply, yeah, can you hear me? You would be able to simply create multiple landing pages, okay, connecting your get response with that website that I will guide you. And you can still use this $15 plan and use multiple landing pages option, okay, with that website. We build such things, okay? We have built such built-in techniques, okay? So I need you to, right now what I need to do is I need you to click create landing page.
Can I click on that?
Yep, create landing page. Now you need to choose the opt-in pages option on the left. Opt-in pages. Click opt-in pages. Yep, there you go. Okay. So again, as we would be like, you're learning CPA marketing with me, okay, and how to generate leads with CPA marketing. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to scroll down and find a page that has an opt-in option here. Slowly scroll down, slowly, please. Now you see that looks perfect to me. Blue Lagoon Estates. That is one thing that I like. Scroll down a bit more. Again, marketing library. This is something that we can make use of. But the video bootcamp seems the best option to me for now, for what we have here. Or maybe video bootcamp, okay, or video bootcamp, the orange one, okay, or the other one, financial consultation, okay. So basically I think video bootcamp looks better, so we will choose video bootcamp. Yep, use template, click use template. Okay, perfect. Now what you can do is, you see like there are different tools on the right, correct? So you see if these tools, this is your toolbox, okay? This is called the toolbox of your landing page. Now if you see, if you hover on all the tools, what you will see is, you will see like, just hover on different tools, right? You would see there's one image tool, again there's text tool, just hover. So yep, drag and drop tool, then again That's the image tool, okay, that's the button tool. And again, so pretty much you can create a complete different landing page. Like these are the shapes. Again, this is the video tool, like you can embed video, okay, the play sign, correct. And again, that's Twitter and PayPal stuff, okay. So basically now what you need to do is like Marketing Pro Bootcamp. Now learn effective marketing tactics from experts. So basically what you can do is learn, make, just remove this text and write down, make money, make money from top surveys, okay. Learn effect, learn how to make money from top surveys. So you need to just click there, click that box, okay. No, this is not that box that we're working on, right? You need to click the learn, yep. Now you need to click, double click inside, or just check out how just, yep, there you go, okay. Now just type something there, select it and type something, yep. Now just type in learn how to make money from top 5 surveys. Top 5 surveys. Yep, and just remove the best tactics, okay? The best tactics from experts. Remove marketing and type in the best tactics from experts. Yeah, just go. You need to format it as you personally feel, okay? Like I cannot give you too detail on everything, right? So learn how to make money from top 5 surveys, and that's pretty much it, okay. We're learning things, so just do, that's it. Learn how to make money from top 5 surveys, okay. Top 5 surveys is something that you can underline, and how to make money, you can remove the underline, okay. Like you have the U option there, you see, BIU. So you can remove the underline from how to make money and underline the top 5 surveys, okay. Like these are formatting options available in Microsoft Office, so you can pretty much understand how this works, okay. So, and you can press enter, how to make money from, press enter and bring top 5 surveys in this, in the last line, okay. Like it should be in the third line, top 5 surveys. You can press enter after from, and it should come at the bottom and in the third line, okay. Like just after from, you need to press enter, yep, there you go, okay, correct. Now you can check, play with this formatting after this call, but let's move forward. Scroll down. Now you can add the whatever, like 3 different things maybe from the offer you would be promoting, okay. So let's keep this as it is. Sign up for free video. You can click sign up for free now, remove the video, sign up for free now. Just remove the video, sign up for free now. Okay, you can press, if you see on the extreme right left hand side, you can see 2 arrows on the extreme top left hand side, right. So if you click, yep, that arrow, click there, yep. So it would like undo things, right, there you go. So just remove the video, just backspace the video thing, okay, and put now there, sign up for free now. You need to learn how to handle this just like your car, okay. So now that's it, sign up for free now, correct. Now you need to click the opt-in box, name, email address, watch now, just click the watch now option there. Now see the settings or whatever comes there, right. You need to hyperlink this opt-in box, okay. Just click the opt-in box, name, email address, name, email, yep, select the name, email, the name, no, not the box, name, email address, yep, select there. Now you need to play with this and see how you can add the email address stuff option there, so the person redirects, okay. So here's the thing, you see the thank you page there, Just variant A on the top left hand side, extreme top left hand side, you see variant A and thank you page, right? So as soon as the person opts in, he would be taken to where? The thank you page, okay?
Yes.
Correct. So click that thing. So basically this is where you put your offer, okay? So what you can do is you can add the video here, okay, or you can put the offer here. So as soon as that person opts in, he would be taken to this page where you put your offer so that he can click on it, okay? So basically how you can hyperlink things, click here for more. Just click that, click here for more, click that button, yep. Now you see the hyperlink option, the small attachment link option just beside button color. You see that? That pin sign in this toolbox, Roboto29 BIUT. No, not there. Just click here for more. You see that Roboto 29, then you see bold,
Yeah.
italic. Now you see the small pin sign. Yep, click that. Now this is where you put your web address or link URL, okay? So as soon as the person clicks, he would be taken to that offer. Okay? Cool? So whatever you put here, like you can put www.google.com for now.
That means the URL.
Just put www.google.com.
Like that?
.google.com, okay? There you go. Okay, that's it. And what you can do is just target open in the same window. Just select open in the same window. Cool. Now click OK. Now click next step and click save and publish. On the right hand side, extreme top.
This one is save.
No. Yep, save. Click first save. Click save. Okay. Then click next step.
Okay.
Say yes. Proceed without mobile versions.
Can I click on?
Yep. Proceed without mobile versions. Yep. Now just give your landing page a title like test 1, landing page test 1. Okay, give it a description, landing page test 1, Shabir's coaching, Shabir CPA coaching. Okay, so you can write like description should be more detailed, right? Like in this case, Shabir's live Skype CPA coaching, write that down. Shabir's live Skype CPA coaching, okay? And then what you need to do is like this is the description, that's what's happening, right? So you need to be very descriptive when you're doing things, correct? So you need to practice this, okay? Again, now what you need to do is just scroll down. So basically like again use one of get response domains. So just click that gr8.com. Now gr8.com looks good, okay? So or getresponsepages.com, just select that one. Again, now what you need to do is you won't be assigning your domain. We will be talking about your domain in our once we get your website live, okay? Now because our next session would be how to get your website live and how to get your domain, okay? So that you can take people to different pages via your own domain, right? So now scroll down in the extreme bottom quickly. Now thank you page would be the same default thank you page, okay? And yeah, pretty much what you can do is like select the drop down, thank you page drop down, custom thank you page. So let's say if you you can put your CPA offer link here if you don't want to design your thank you page. We will do that in our advanced sessions. So let's keep it to the default thank you page. Click publish. Okay, now you can see your landing page at this link. Click this link. Now this is your landing page, okay? Learn how to make money from top 5 surveys, okay? Now just try putting your name and email. Like a different name and email apart from what is on get response.
I give my sister's email ID.
You can put my email address there. That's fine. Or maybe no, don't put mine. Okay, just put a different email address of your own.
I have my sister's email
Yeah,
ID.
sure, whatever. Click watch now.
Then,
Now you see that this takes you to where? The thank you page, right? Correct. Now if you click there, click for here for more.
I think it takes to me to the because I put the Google.
It takes you to wherever you, whatever link you put, right? So this is how the terminology works, okay? So pretty much I need you to play with this, and this is how this is how we will move forward in our CPA coaching, okay? This is like a very basic landing page, a very basic funnel. Like we have more complicated funnels that I teach in my live Skype coaching. So basically, again, I need you to play with this, make more landing pages, okay? Check different landing pages in there, okay? So basically, you would be able to create only one landing page for get response, okay? So you need to deactivate this landing page before you can open any other landing page. You need to go at view my landing page, like manage my landing pages. Click there, manage my landing pages. No. You see on the same page, manage my landing pages. Okay, come back to get response, please. Manage my landing pages. Yes, that's
Then
correct. You need to look at when you're on the screen. You need to use your eyes, so that you can understand things. Don't get worried about things. Okay, I'm still guiding you things. So you need to actually deactivate this, like unpublish this before you can open another landing page. Okay, like you see the published option there, status published. So you need to turn that off if you want to test any other landing page. Okay, click that. Yeah. So basically, but with when my team would create a CPA monetized website for you, okay, you don't have to pay another $15 extra to get response, okay, and you can use multiple landing pages via the CPA monetized website that my team will build for you. But I need you to get yourself comfortable with the landing page stuff, and we will move forward in our next session on that. Okay, so
should
that's pretty much it for
yeah.
like this. Yeah, tell me.
To ask you